DTF Direct-to-Film Textile L and K instructions. First, you need to use the printing software to set up the white ink channel. Select the corresponding printer driver in the software. Then set the white ink channel. Which color added white ink? Set this channel as white. The proportion of white ink can be set at will. Images need to be set up for mirror printing. After setting up, you can output and print. The printed image is wet, and do not touch it. After the printing is completed, the powder is shaken and the hot melt powder completely covers the printing area. Then it is dried and dissolved at 160 degrees. Dry and lay flat on clothes that need to be pressed. Press with a hot press machine. Different media require different temperatures and time. Commonly used 160 degrees for 15 seconds of pressing. Finally, the film is torn off and the production is complete. The color effect is gorgeous, and the clarity is high.